All right, today we got some geraniums. So these geraniums we did from cuttings. This is the Big Easy Neon. So as you can see, this geranium is starting to go the other way. So is this one. But we got a lot of new buds on this. So what we're gonna do is deadhead these and clean them all up. So we got some dead leaves in here. We got some yellow, green, you know, they're dying. If this leaf was to fall inside there and it would start to rot, it can cause disease, botrytis, all kinds of different problems for this. Geraniums, they don't like to be wet. But as you can see here, you can break this off right here, right down to the very bottom, right here. Break that off. You have that there. You have all this new growth that's coming out. So this one right here is the same way. It's got a lot of buds on it and stuff, but we're gonna also break this off. So now you have a nice clean plant. Next couple days, this will be nice and good. It'll come out, flower again. You got one here that looks bad, so we're gonna take that leaf off also. So what we actually got is that. And as you can see, these flowers, they were starting to go bad, so they're falling off. Okay, now we have another one. This is the Patriot Bright Pink. So it's got some dead leaves in there. We're gonna keep it off that wetter soil. Clean these up a little bit. So you got a leaf here that's really bad. That's probably got too much water on it to touch the soil. So we're gonna take that off. That eventually is gonna rot. So you got a flower bud that's completely done here. So we're gonna break that off right down at the bottom, right next to the other stem. Now you have another one that's rotting right there. We're gonna take that off. And this right here, you can see that. This one's a brighter pink than that one because this one's almost done. So we're gonna take that one off. We're gonna keep this one on. There's just a little bit of it right there that's starting to go the other way, but you got a lot of buds here. Some more coming on here. We're gonna take a look at it. As you can see, it looks pretty good. So that's the proper way at Garden Starts Nursery that we deadhead a geranium. These geraniums, once again, we did by cuttings. Thank you for watching this video at Garden Starts Nursery.